Hi guys, this is Afshan. How are you doing? In the last little while, I've received a lot of inquiries about Canada Emergency Response Benefit, also known as CERB. So I thought I would take a few moments to go over the details so you can understand eligibility requirements a little bit better and make a conscious decision tomorrow whether you should be applying or not. So let's go through these requirements one by one. I will post a link to CRA's website so you can see everything at your own time later as well. First requirement, you must be residing in Canada. Please note that doesn't mean you have to be a Canadian citizen or even a permanent resident. It just means that you have to have a SIN number and you file taxes in Canada. You must be at least 15 years of age. Also, you have had to stop working because of COVID-19. That's an important thing to remember. If you have been laid off, it has to be related to COVID-19, or you may not be able to work because of COVID-19 related reasons, such as your kids do not have school to go to, or you're taking care of a family member who is sick due to COVID-19. There's an income threshold as well. You must have had income of at least $5,000 in either 2019 or in the last 12 months. The income could be employment income, it could be self-employment income, or it could be EI, paternal or maternal benefits. If it is self-employment income, it's not clear whether 5,000 is gross or 5,000 is net. So it is a judgment call at this point. If you're a conservative person, I would say 5,000 net. If you're more of a risk taker, 5,000 gross. If you only earn dividend income, it appears dividend income does not qualify for CERB. The last requirement is that you are expected to be without employment or self-employment income for at least 14 consecutive days in the initial 4-week period. So again, if you were laid off from your job, that's easy to understand, that you have not been working for at least 2 weeks. If you are self-employed and your business has not ceased to operate, where it's bringing in income but perhaps reduced level of income, then it's a little bit tricky to determine if you are eligible or not eligible. So what to do? The program is open for applying as of tomorrow. We are most likely not going to get any more guidance on eligibility requirements. So it is a judgment call at this point. Prime Minister Trudeau has said that anyone who applies will receive this, which means the due diligence will be done after the fact. I am sure if anyone has made an honest mistake, that would be treated differently from someone who appears to have applied for this program full well knowing that they shouldn't have applied. If you did not qualify and you received this fund, obviously you'll have to return it with perhaps some interest and penalty. I don't know what stronger measures will be taken if people have applied for this fraudulently. So take your time to understand the requirements and proceed with caution. Where to apply? So you do go to CRA's website where under My Account, if you haven't set it up, I will include the link on how to set up CRA My Account if you have direct deposit set up. Prime Minister Trudeau had said you will receive your deposit within 3 days, or if it's a check, then it should be sent to you within 10 days. When to apply? So they are recommending apply on a day depending on on the month of your birth. So if you're born in January, February, or March, you should ideally apply on Monday, which is tomorrow. If you're born on April, May, or June, you should apply on Tuesday. If you're born in July, August, or September, then apply on Wednesday. And if your birthday falls on October, November, or December, then you apply on Thursday. If by Thursday you haven't applied and you think you should be applying, then Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, any day is fine for you to apply. Now, if you have applied for EI, you do not need to apply for CERB. If CRA determines that you qualify for CERB, they will automatically move you over to CERB. I do want to remind you that CERB is a taxable benefit. So do not be surprised when you file your 2020 taxes that you would probably owe taxes on this amount. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me a message or put it in the comments. I will try my best to answer. But like I said, there is a lot of items that are still not explained properly, and it is our government's best attempt to help Canadians as quickly as they can. So while the system may not be perfect, be patient. And help is on the way. Take care.